Hello! How are you today? Before we start our next activity today, I want you to sing the song with me, okay?
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Okay, this week for phonics, we are going to listen for the consonant sound in the end of a word. Last week, we learned to recognize the consonant sound in the beginning of a word. Today, we're going to look at the consonant in the end of the word. Now let's look at the picture here. For example, this one. This is a picture of a cap. Can you hear the ending sound when I say the word cap? Cap. Now let's look at the two letters here. This is a P. What sound does it make? P makes the sound P, P, P. And this is the letter S. And S makes the sound S, S, S. Now let me say the word again. Cap. Cap. Which sound did I make? The P or the S? Yes, it is the P. P for P. So you should circle this one. Okay? Okay, let's look at this picture here. This is a picture of a jam. Now listen carefully when I say jam. Jam. What sound do you hear in the end? Jam. There's already two letters here. So let me repeat again. Jam. I hear the sound in the back. What letter makes the sound It is M. Can you hear the sound when I say M? Does it match? Jam. So you should write the letter M here. Okay? Now I want you to concentrate and try to do the rest. There's 2 pages. Page 74 and page 75. Okay? Good luck!